Launching and scaling your Amazon business shouldn't mean your budget takes a hit. That's where securing a Helium 10 coupon code becomes your first smart strategic move. By using an exclusive promo, you can unlock this powerful suite of tools at a significant discount. Ready to optimize your listings and accelerate your growth while keeping more of your revenue? Let's find your savings. Let's talk first about the Diamond plan. This is the top-tier choice built specifically for sellers already scaling up fast and needing every possible advantage. With Diamond, you unlock powerful tools like Blackbox and X-Ray for rapid-fire product research, plus Cerebro and Magnet for deep keyword analytics. Beyond that, you'll have access to PPC automation, inventory management, and detailed insights to run your business smarter. The regular price sits at $279 monthly, but if you switch to annual billing, that price instantly shrinks down to $229 per month. If your Amazon journey is somewhere in between, maybe you're past beginner stage, but not yet in that high volume zone, the Platinum plan is a great fit. It's designed for steady growth, offering the essential tools you need without anything you don't. You'll still have access to comprehensive product and keyword research tools, plus advanced listing optimization features and keyword tracking, all for $99 per month or $79 when billed annually. But what if you're new to Amazon selling altogether? The starter plan is your best bet. It provides the necessary foundation without draining your budget. Tools like X-Ray for basic product research and simplified keyword data so you can confidently start selling. It's $39 per month, or even better, just $29 per month if you choose annual billing. Now, here's exactly how you get those extra savings. You'll find exclusive offers and discounts by clicking the link in the description below. Don't let this opportunity to boost your Amazon business on a budget slip away. Remember, applying your Helium 10 coupon code is the final step to transforming that great promo into real, actionable savings. Invest the discount back into your growth and start operating more efficiently today. Here's to working smarter, spending less, and scaling faster.